We are 1 month into 2023, and the MLS has published the January data. And in Prescott, here are the numbers. Active listings, 359. That's a 5% drop from December's number of 378. New listings saw a bit of an uptick, actually, from 75 to 120. And that is a good omen because in today's market, low inventory is a concern, not only here in this area, but even more so across the country. Sold listings dropped a bit to 68 from 116, but that is a seasonal drop. The absorption rate was 2.65 months. I like to explain that number because it's a theoretical number that indicates the amount of time it would take to exhaust the current inventory of homes if no new homes came onto the market. 2.65 months, very slight change from 2.7. However, it's kind of interesting to look back a year ago when the absorption rate was 0.94 months. We had less than 1 month, theoretically, of inventory of residential properties here in Prescott. That was crazy. The list-to-sale ratio was 93.3%, indicating that sellers are doing some negotiation. So buyers, take note, you have a little bit more buying power. And if you are planning to place your home on the market, your real estate agent should be preparing you for negotiations, and you should budget for negotiations. Don't get caught sitting there waiting for those full price and over asking offers to come flooding in like they were a few months ago. Negotiations are the reality, and when you prepare yourself, you negotiate from a position of strength and not a position of utter panic. And finally, sales volume in Prescott, Arizona for the month of January was $39.35 million. That was a 46% drop from December. That sounds like a lot, but it is not unusual. And in fact, if you look back a couple of years, you'll find a 50% drop. And if you take a closer look at that number, you will see that two things contributed. Not only were fewer homes sold, but the price range of the majority of homes that did sell was lower as well. So those are the numbers. Do with them what you will. Remember, they are published by the MLS and are subject to some variation as more data comes in. If you have any questions, please reach out. And remember, if you are planning to place your home on the market in the coming months, give me a call because after all, it's not a funny accent that brings buyers. It's a kilt. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.